How to fix Bootmgr is missing. Press Ctrl+Alt+Del to restart. Error on Windows PC. 1. Run Startup Repair in Advanced Options under Windows Safe Mode. 2. Rebuild BCD in Advanced Options under Windows Safe Mode. Commands include bootmgr/scan os bootmgr/rebuild BCD exit plan B cd/d/microsoft/efi/cd/d/microsoft/cd/d/arcolon/boots/cd/windows/sr/fui/run/bcd/bcd.boc/c:/f all exit 3. Change boot order in BIOS. 4. Check connections. Hint: try reconnecting the SATA or IDE cables for your hard drive. And you may need to replace some installed hardware. 5. Restore or reset system in Windows Safe Mode.